Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Story, from Medina to Makkah. Get ready to learn new English words and enjoy this exciting adventure. Let's begin!
Today we are traveling to Makkah.
I'm excited for this journey.
Have you packed all your things?
Yes, my bag is ready.
Did you enjoy our stay in Medina?
Yes, it was a beautiful experience.
What was your favorite place?
Al-Masjid Al-Nabawi.
Let's check out and start our trip to Makkah.
Bismillah, let's go.
We are on our way to Makkah now.
The road is very nice.
Are you comfortable in the car?
Yes, Dad.
Look at the mountains outside.
They look amazing!
The journey to Makkah is special.
Yes, I have been waiting for this day.
We will reach the Miqat soon.
I'm excited to continue the journey.
We have arrived at the Miqat.
Alhamdulillah.
What is Miqat, Dad?
We will prepare for Umrah here. It is the place where we make our intention.
I understand now.
This is an important part of our journey.
We are very blessed to be here.
Let's make our intention and continue to Makkah.
I'm ready, Dad.
We are back on the road to Makkah.
The journey is going smoothly.
How are you feeling?
I feel great, Dad.
We are getting closer to Makkah now.
I can't wait to see it.
This is a very special trip for our family.
Yes, we will always remember it.
Inshallah, we will arrive soon.
I'm so excited for Makkah.
Look, we have arrived in Makkah.
Alhamdulillah, we are finally here.
How do you feel?
I feel very happy.
This is a special moment for our family.
We have been waiting for this day.
Welcome to Makkah.
I'm excited to visit Al-Masjid Al-Haram.
Inshallah, we will go there soon.
Alhamdulillah for this blessing.
Hello, we have a reservation. Welcome to Makkah. May I have your name?
Yes, the reservation is under my name.
The hotel looks very nice.
Is our room ready? Yes, your room is ready. Thank you very much.
Dad, can we see the room now?
Dad, can we go upstairs?
Of course, let's go upstairs.
I'm looking forward to resting for a while.
Let's get ready to visit Al-Masjid Al-Haram.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Are you ready, son?
Yes, Dad, I'm very excited.
Make sure you have everything you need.
Don't forget your water bottle. I won't, Mom.
Good. Soon we will see the Kaaba.
Really, I can't wait.
Let's leave for Al-Masjid Al-Haram now.
Bismillah, let's go.
We are entering Al-Masjid Al-Haram now.
There are so many people here.
Keep walking with me.
This moment feels very special.
Look ahead. Can you see the Kaaba?
Wow, the Kaaba is beautiful.
Alhamdulillah, we can finally see the Kaaba.
I feel so happy and grateful.
Let's make dua before we begin.
I will always remember this moment.
We are starting Tawaf around the Kaaba.
Alhamdulillah, this is a special moment.
Stay close to me while we walk.
Okay, Dad.
Many Muslims come here from around the world.
It's amazing to see so many people.
We are walking around the Kaaba together.
I feel peaceful and happy.
Let's continue our tawaf.
I'm happy to be here with my family.
Let's drink Zamzam water here in Al-Masjid Al-Haram.
Is this Zamzam water?
Yes, it comes from the famous Zamzam well.
Many pilgrims drink it every day.
Take a cup and drink slowly.
Okay, Dad.
How does it taste?
It tastes very good and refreshing.
Alhamdulillah for this blessing.
Alhamdulillah, we are grateful to be here.
Now we are starting Sa'i between Safa and Marwa.
Alhamdulillah, we are continuing our Umrah.
This is an important part of Umrah.
How many times do we walk?
We walk between Safa and Marwa 7 times.
That's interesting.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, Dad. I'm doing well.
Let's continue together.
Alhamdulillah, this is a beautiful journey.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Alhamdulillah, we have completed the Sa'i.
It has been a wonderful experience.
The final step is cutting the hair.
Does that mean our Umrah is almost complete?
Yes, after this, our Umrah will be complete.
I'm happy we did it together.
Alhamdulillah, our Umrah is now complete.
May Allah accept it from us.
This is a day we will never forget.
I'm very grateful to be here.
Let's walk around Al-Masjid Al-Haram for a while.
The atmosphere is beautiful tonight.
Look at the lights around the mosque.
They look amazing.
Many people are still praying and making dua.
It feels peaceful here.
I'm happy we could visit Makkah together.
Me too, Dad.
Let's enjoy this special moment.
Alhamdulillah for this blessing.
Let's have dinner after our Umrah.
That sounds great.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like rice and grilled chicken.
Today was a very special day.
Yes, I will always remember it.
What was your favorite moment?
Seeing the Kaaba for the first time.
That was my favorite moment too.
Alhamdulillah for this beautiful journey.
We have had an amazing journey so far.
Yes, from Madinah to Makkah, every moment was special.
What did you enjoy the most?
Visiting Al-Masjid Al-Nabawi and seeing the Kaaba.
Those were unforgettable moments.
I'm grateful we experienced them together.
We learned many things during this trip.
And we made many beautiful memories.
Alhamdulillah for this wonderful journey.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Today was one of the best days of our lives.
Yes, it was truly unforgettable.
We visited the Kaaba and completed our Umrah.
I'm very happy and thankful.
What will you remember most about today?
Seeing the Kaaba for the first time.
Tomorrow, we can visit Al-Masjid Al-Haram again.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's get some rest now. Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Hi, everyone! If you enjoy our English stories, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. Thank you for your support!